How
Yeah,
old you are?
I'm 19 years old.
90 years.
19.
19 years old. Okay, okay.
Hmm.
Okay, Rudra.
Hmm.
What are you doing in your life?
Now I didn't do anything, bro.
That means you are struggling.
No, no, I'm not struggling.
Then
Yes, yes, I'm not struggling for anything. I'm just do nothing and I didn't do anything. Now also I don't to do anything. And
why?
I'm hello? Yes?
Why?
Why? Because I don't know. I don't have much clarity about anything now.
Oh my
Ye-
God. What type of degree you have? That means what is your qualification?
No, no, I didn't study. I just completed my intermediate only, and I quit. I am already quitted my education.
You left your education.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Then Rudra, what are you doing in your life? That means you are earning something?
No, I didn't earn, but I just went to work for my parents are farming.
Okay.
I went to work for like farming work with my parents.
Farming work. Okay, okay, good.
And I didn't do anything. Yeah, my own self, I didn't do anything, but I went to work for with my family, like with my parents. Yes.
Okay.
What is your name? What is your good name? Kaif means I think.
This is
Be
Kaf Ali Thani.
okay. Calf.
You
Yes, bro.
you didn't do anything and
Hmm.
you don't want to do anything. How can I talk to you? Because now you haven't interested anything.
Yeah, I have so many interested, but now I didn't do anything, but I have so many interests,
Then
you
who
know.
suggests you this app?
Huh?
Who suggests you this app? Tear up.
No, no, I just searching for English talking apps and I installed 2 days back. I installed and I need
But your
I
English is good. Did you learn it?
last year I think 1 month I practiced English, but not much more. So that's the reason it's very little. Some
Last
word
year
words not.
somewhere
Hmm?
you
Hmm.
joined any
No, no, no. I didn't join
institute?
anywhere. Yes, I didn't join anywhere, and also and I didn't learn. I didn't take any course also, but I practiced English like so many times in my last year, like 1 month. I think daily, 2 hours or 1 hour. I practiced 1 month, like tenses also. How can you use sentence? How can you make sentence? That kind of things I learned, but I forget it. But it is coming my own now. Yes,
Okay,
bro.
good.
You can have you whatever you have question. You can ask me. I do not feel anything.
Okay,
Bro,
okay.
I have interest to talk with you, bro, but and I'm telling that I'm not doing anything now. That's I'm telling only. Hmm. But I have so many interested, but I will do after some time whenever it will come. Okay. Hmm.
Okay, good. It's good.
Hmm.
Ask to me anything. What do you want? I will give the answer, or
Yeah.
I will
Okay.
try.
Okay. Okay. Hmm. What you studying?
Now I'm pursuing my graduation in BCA,
BCA.
Bachelor in
BCA.
Computer
First year or
Application.
second year?
Second year.
Second year. Okay, what are the subject in BC? I don't have a much more clarity about that because I didn't join degree also. I
There is
am
very
asking that.
different subject like
Hmm?
computer fundamental,
Computer
operating system.
fundamentals. Yes, I love that subject. Computer related subjects a little bit I like.
Okay, it's
Okay.
not matter what you like or unlike. It's just a subject of computer. Okay.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
if you want to learn something in computer, then first of all you will have to go
Hmm.
an institute where they taught us.
Yes, yes. Okay. Hmm. You are already
Okay, now
hmm?
now I'm pursuing. Now I'm
Hmm.
completing,
Hmm.
and now I'm in second year.
Oh, second year. You are also have like sem one, sem two, sem four. Like you are also same like that, or only directly exam for 1 year? Or I don't know. Just I'm asking you.
Oh, exam only in
Hmm.
uh, it in the only end of the year.
Hmm.
We we give exam.
Hmm.
We have we have to give exam,
Hmm.
and then they will give us degree.
Oh, okay. In intermediate, what subject did you choose? Like MPC or BIPC? So many things are there.
By PC. Sorry,
BIPC.
MPC.
Okay. You are a
MPC,
BIPC.
MPC. That's why.
MPC. Mathematics student. You like math?
Yeah,
Hmm?
little bit.
Little bit. Yes. Hmm. Now, okay. What is your main purpose of life? What you think like that? Hmm. Hello? Hello, do you
What do you
understand?
think from what?
No, like what is your purpose of life and why you are living and what like uh, do you understand like why you are
Yeah, I
living?
got it.
Mm-hmm.
First of all, there is a meaning
Yes, there is a
of
meaning.
life.
Hmm.
You will have to understand, and I have to also, because
Yes,
in their world, everyone will die one day.
yes, yes, yes. That's the main truth.
So don't chase any types of degree or anything
Mm,
which gave you, which will give you a harassment, embarrassing, unsuccessfulness.
mm,
So now I'm purchasing my,
mm.
sorry, I'm completing
Person.
my graduation,
Mm.
pursuing uh, because I want to a job for my family.
Yes,
That is
yes.
my dream,
Mm,
and I want to make happy of my
mm,
family
mm.
because they have lot of mm, emotions, and
Yes.
you can say that
Mm.
desirous,
Yes, desires.
some desires to
Mm,
me.
wishes also like.
That's why I'm chasing something. And
Mm,
there is a one more thing
mm.
is your loveful life. You know
Mm.
what is it means? That means marriageful life.
Yes, yes.
So I want taste
Mm,
my marriage life
mm,
because now it's very short journey in your life.
mm.
We only have like 70 or 65 years
Yes,
because
yes,
now
yes.
this era is don't have too much
Mm,
life, don't have too much breath. So
mm, mm,
everyone should do incredible things
mm.
like go anywhere go anywhere in adventurous
Yes, yes. Whatever they like
mode.
to do.
Yeah, chase your dream, not chase any
Mm.
money or any other thing. Chase your happiness. That's why.
Yes.
And this is the best feeling of anyone's life, because if you are chasing and if you are choosing
Mm.
money, that means you are losing happiness or good feeling.
Mm.
So what about you? What is your life purpose?
Yeah, I am also same like you. Whatever I have dreams, that kind of things, and main purpose is we need to live happily. So if you want to live happily, we need to have some more money, and if you want to money, you need to have some skills, high income skills, and if you want the skills you need to put it time and effort like money, and also you need to put lot of efforts from your side. Then the time it will come and we will definitely succeed, and we will live happily. Simple. That's it. Hello.
Yeah, I'm listening to you carefully, too much carefully.
Why?
Because now you said that you want to live a life very happily.
Yes,
Good,
simple.
good to hear you.
Hmm.
Then what will you do for your happiness, and what will you do for your happy full life?
Yeah, whatever I like. Like I need to money. Yeah, I need to have money.
Then how can you earn? How will you earn?
Yes, how I means like whatever I like in my life, like that kind of things I will learn, and then only I can do it. Yes, in
Okay, good.
in our life, most of the time we have like so much of time we will put into on work. So if you don't like work, and you can't be happily, and whenever you like the work, and at that time only you can do very good work, and you can put it effort very happily, and also you live also happily. Yeah, I think you understood. I think so many words in my mind, but not coming whenever I speak.
Good, good, good. Now I'm getting, and I got
Yes.
it, what you want to say.
Mm.
Because I am listening your feeling, not any types of word.
Oh.
That's right. Okay, good. Good to see you. Okay, then suggest me about
Uh,
the life purpose goal. Which types of life would you like to choose? Like
mm.
uh, marriage full life, or girlfriend boyfriend life, or any couples or things life?
I can't say anything, but it depends on our mindset, how you feel and how you live your life. Like you want to more freedom, or you want to like understanding with the two people, like, and also you want to something, whatever you have some desires you have. Everyone have some desires, and they can choose their life or their own self. Yes. It depends on their own self and their mindsets. So no one can't say like you can do it, this is better, you can do it, this is not better. We can't say, and it time will, whenever time will, automatically mind will change, and it depends on timing, and depends on environment, and also depends on people beside of our people, and beside of the environment. Automatically we will change sometimes. So we can't define it is right, it is not right. So that's the reason I can't say, but we need to have some freedom, and we need to have like like wife or husband, like that kind of things, like, and also children's. Yeah, simple. I know this only. Hmm. Hello.
Yeah, I'm listening.
Hmm.
Good, good boss.
Hmm.
You're a gentleman
No, no, I don't know.
without any
Hmm.
bachelor degree.
Hmm.
You are a gentleman without any bachelor degree. Good.
Bachelor degree, okay. Hmm. Okay, what will you do after you completed your graduation?
I will make myself
Oh,
happy.
oh, that's very nice. And like, what do you do? Like your parents' field, or you were doing whatever you like, and also you will start a business, or you will do a job. Hmm?
I will earn only money. It's
Yes.
not matter where it comes
Hmm.
from.
Okay. Yes, bro. Do you like movies?
Yeah, I really like
Okay, which kind of movies do you like?
Hollywood basically.
Hollywood. Okay. I am also like, but I didn't like horror movies.
In Hollywood,
No, not only Hollywood, Bollywood, Hollywood, yeah, wherever movie, but I didn't like horror movies only.
have you ever seen this man?
No, no, no. I am not that much of. I don't have that much of courage. Yeah.
Okay,
Hmm. Some negative feelings in running in my mind at watching that movies, horror movies. Hmm. Yes, bro. Have you free time or not?
but
Hello.
now I'm napping. I
Nothing.
need to sleep.
You need to.
I need to sleep right
Oh.
now.
Okay. Okay. Hmm. Sweet dreams.
Okay, thank you.
Bye. Bye.
It's time to sleep
Yeah. Why it is like? Did you do anything some night?
because I have been waking up since my night.
Oh. Okay. That's the reason you sleeping now. Okay. You sleep. You will sleep. Okay. Okay. I will meet you again. Hmm.
Are you making me a friend?
Yeah. Okay. No problem.
Okay,
I want to. Hmm.
okay, good. Good to hear you.
Yes. Hmm. Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Hmm. ఎవరికి నేర్పిస్తలేను నేనే నేర్చుకున్నాను